Hi everybody, this is Urbansweetheart Teresa coming at you with a new wig review. Alright, this one is by Motown Tress Premium Collection. I don't know if anybody's seen this one yet. It's Glam plus Airy. Pre-style quick and easy crochet wig. I got it in a 1B. I see this style. These the colors they have. What is this? WHC.DT3C. I don't know what that got to do with it, but let's get this one going. I'm just about positive there is no lace to cut. I'm here for these no lace. Oh, I didn't talk too soon. You got a little patch of lace and 2 or 3 baby hairs up in the front, which very easily would get removed. All right, again, this is what it looks like. I was going to get that color on the model, but I said I'm going for a safe color. I'm going for a safe color today. All right, with me, I want so bad to cut these baby hairs off. I'm going to keep them here. I'm going to keep them here. This is an easy cut off, though. Easy cut off. All right. And definitely don't match my skin tone. So we're going to put a little bit of this Ruby Kisses in this part. What is this? Cream foundation. You can put any of your sprays, whatever, to try to get the right color to match. Foundation, whatever you got, put it in that part. I don't know if this part gonna be easy to blend because it look crazy. No, not this part, but the front little lace thing. So anyway, we got 2 combs on the side of this little lace thing. We got this band, which is in the front of the wig. Hope this holds properly. Comb in the back, adjustable straps. This is what the cap looks like. Good, because your hair won't poke through. All right. All right. Now, which way this thing's supposed to go? Trying to feel. All right, it has bendable ear tabs. Okay, I got it all the way here, but I don't think that's how it's supposed to be. Now, if I got the bendable ear tabs are both right here. So this is how it's supposed to look. But I don't know. It's kind of snug fit on the cap. Where's the card at? Off to the side. Oh, look at this part. Oh, okay. So definitely got to put something on the top of here. And this is uneven. So I'm thinking I got it going the wrong way. Yeah, it has to be like this. Okay, yeah, that look a little bit better. Just a little bit. There's these little baby hairs. I think I would keep these because how this little thing looking here, either you're going to cut it to a V and try to blend that down. I think that's why they put that little bit of baby hair, so you could try to swoop that over and make you a little swoop. But with that being said, I really don't like that. So I'm going to try to figure a way to get this not to go into the giveaway pile. Okay, so you're supposed to stick this down. These supposed to be braids, crochet braids. What can you put that over? They could have just used a regular piece of lace and put some little braids to come out. I don't know why they tried to do this menagerie. Try to put some of this in there. Tone that part down. This part looking ridiculous. It look like I'm more bold than I actually am. Okay. I would spray that. I would get some type of black spray and spray that just to make it just go away. Just look like a closure wig or something. I would spray that because that looks ridiculous. Maybe you get that one where you could put the right here and then spray around it. If I had that right now, that's what I would be doing. I would use some black spray around there. And I think that would blend to perfection. Ear tabs come pretty much down to the sides, a little bit above. Hope the wind don't catch you. This is definitely an inside wig. This is like got a double knit because when I just felt in it, it feels so thick. I don't know, y'all could hear that. I feel like it's something in there that maybe you could cut off. That's them baby hairs. I'm trying to use them. Glad I ain't cut them off. Like I said, use this, spray you something to make that part disappear. I feel like this is a one and done. It's an inside unit where you ain't gonna have no wind catching you. So all of them look like, no, I thought they had like a twist to it, but no. No, it's just tracks. I love these, how this is, the curl wave pattern. This is beautiful. If it was on like a actual unit, a wig, not trying to pretend like you're doing some crocheting up in the front, then all you have to do is trim it to fit your face, frame your face, because those curls look nice. And you know I like big hair. See, I'm already playing with it. Oh man. Maybe if you know how to throw you one of them bands around there, you could figure out how to make this not look bad around the perimeter. Like I said, I wouldn't try to wear this out where it's going to be windy or something. I just can't do it unless you could figure out how to lay this down or take that double, feel like a double layer of something on this thing. Take one layer out. Don't cut them baby hairs up. This baby hair is going to try to help camouflage that. Like I said, use this with some black spray. What do y'all use? I've seen girls do that before when they let their frontal or whatever got too thin or whatever, or they plucked too much. They would use that spray. Take it off your head when you do it. Put it on a foam head or something so you can see what you're doing. Just try to center that as good as you can. Spray it. Let it dry. And I think you could get away with this one. I love these curls. They're beautiful. Get me started in beautiful curls. This is Diva, not Diva. This is I'm going somewhere with. I'm in the mirror at the event, the concert or whatever. Getting it nice and big because I ain't gonna wear it no more. How much I paid for this one? Probably 30. I'm hoping I ain't paid no more than 30. But if I remember how much I paid, I'll put it down below. All right, let's go around. And no, it feels so big. I know you can't see no tracks. Y'all don't lie to me. Make sure I ain't got my tag out. Y'all know how y'all be doing me. Everybody laughing. Yeah, I would just swoop that. You got another one over here. I don't know if you just take all that around. Swoop it. I love it. I love it. Getting on my lip product, but these curls, man, make a wig. Who's this? Motown Tress. Make a wig, a real lace front wig without this thing. Just make a wig. It don't have to be no crochet. Nothing. I knew how, if I thought I could take this out at the bottom, I bet you that part would go away. But I like it. It's beautiful. But not practical. Unless you could fix this up. And it's not an outside wig. Let me show you again. It's not an outside wig. Unless you could do something. Start cutting these and laying it down. Well, yeah, you could make it outside wig. You could make it. Make sure it's like right at your natural hairline. And you have to start pulling some of them out and framing them around so that if the wind can catch you, you ain't got to be thoroughly ashamed. Take a comb or something. Get me started. I like it. I like it. Is it gonna last? No. This is a event hair. You want somewhere you want big old hair. Wear this. Wear this. Wear this. Figure out what to do with this though before you try to wear it. And it's not really shedding, so I like that. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.